Good morning, everyone. So I got my rice starter kit. So this is how it looks like. It's still the morning, and I'm expected to get 2 of these mushroom coffee packs. I got them, and I was only expecting the magnet, but they got me a scoop and the acacia spoon as well. And then it's a really cool magnet. It says you're amazing. And that's that. And this is a surprise for me. I got a really nice tote from them. It's good quality. The cloth is, it's not that flimsy. And then Max is there to say hi. And then this is like how to get connected with them in social media, and also all the ingredients, and then the recipe book. It's nice. And then the box is reusable. It says reuse me. So let's get started. And then we're gonna open it by one hand. And definitely when I opened it, it smelled like coffee and also a faint smell of the mushrooms, I guess, if you're familiar with mushrooms. And then I use 1 scoop, and also use that acacia spoon to put some creamer in there. I gotta get some creamer. I like creamer, and yeah, as expected, I'm gonna spill it. And then I only use like a half a cup of the mug. And then it actually dissolved immediately. Because some mushroom coffees, I guess, they leave like a bits and pieces in there. But it looks smooth, and I'm gonna try it. Let's try this.